First, right-click on the slide, then choose Format Background. Go to Fill and choose Picture, then insert a picture. Duplicate the slide 4 times, then edit each one background. After finishing, go to Insert and choose the rounded rectangle. Make it more rounded, then copy and paste it several times with different size. Go to Align and click Align Center. Right-click on them and choose Slide Background Fill. Go to Shadow and decrease the transparency to 0 and increase both size and blur. Copy and paste it in each slide and change the size and move it a little. Go to Insert and choose a rectangle, then choose Gradient and change the colors to black and white and decrease the transparency. Copy and paste it in each slide. Go to Shapes and insert a circle and copy it and paste to make a column. Change each one fill to the pictures ascendingly. Move it down and enlarge the first one, then the others. Repeat it again in each one. Finally, enter your text. Abdi. Here we go. Brilliant presentation. Follow for more tutorials and subscribe our YouTube channel.